Sinibak nyo, tinanggalan nyo sila ng anak buhay, pinatay nyo, in short.
Baseless, I will tell you. I'm sorry, but I think the figures will show that...
Who are you to say it's baseless?
Mr. Chairman.
Wait a minute. 2,000 na talagang given na yung numbers na sinasabi niya, exact numbers yan, 2,000 ang natanggalan.
So mga kabanado, panoorin niyo itong unang hearing ni Senador Rapi Tulfo sa 2024 kung saan napakitang gilas kaagad siya dito mga kabanat patungkol dito sa nangyaring issue sa online loto kung saan daw marami daw pinatay na 2,000 daw na mga pinatay ayon pa kay Senador Rapi Tulfo, pero yun ay hinantulad niya lang dahil tinawag niyang pinatay dahil nga tinanggalan ng trabaho itong 2,000. Napakarami. At ang binigyan daw ng isang yung tinatawag nila ano bang pangalan itong kumag na ito na mamaya nagkasagutan sila mga kabanat na kapalit ng 2,000 ay isang tao lang ang binigyan mga kabanat. Isang ehensya lang ang binigyan para makalusot itong at saka tinanggalan yun napakarami. So panoorin niyo ito mga kabanat.
Nakiusap po ako doon kay Attorney Quevedo na kung pwede pong i-extend po yung ELA para po hindi na muna ho sila magsarado at pagbibigyan sila hanggat 4 months. Ang pakiusap lang niya po sa akin na i-inform ko daw po si GM na mag-apela lang para magkaroon po ng time na wag sila munang masarado kasi naaawa.
So you're not granted your request for an appeal?
Kasi po, ang hinihingi lang po ni Attorney Quevedo that time is kung pwede daw pong sumulat sa kanila ng letter po si GM or si Chairman Kuwa na humihingi po sila ng extension para magkaroon po ng time kung merong o-orderin na machine or something. Pero sinabi ko po yun kay AGM Arnel Casas na yun po yung request ni Attorney Quevedo na kung pwede gumawa po sila ng sulat na nire-request po nila na ma-extend po yung ELA para patuloy pa po sila na makapatuloy po na makapagpatay at hindi masarado yung 2,000 kasi naaawa rin po siya dun sa mga agents na yun. At that particular time parang nag-follow up ako, parang sabi po hindi naman po talaga nangyari na nakagawa po ng apela.
Kasi Mr. Robles, 2,000 na mga lotto agents, sinibak nyo, tinanggalan nyo sila ng hanap buhay, pinatay nyo in short. Pero yung kita sana napupunta sa kanila, napunta ngayon sa Pacific Online Systems Corporation. Meron kayong pinatay na pagkarami-rami, 1,000 ang pinatay ninyo. At isa lang ang inyong binuhay kapalit ng 2,000. Ito na nga yung online.
Mr. Chair, that is baseless, I would tell you. I'm sorry, but I think the figures will show that...
Who are you to say it's baseless?
Mr. Chairman.
Wait a minute. 2,000 na talagang given na yung numbers na sinasabi niya, exact numbers yan, 2,000 ang natanggalan ng hanap buhay. Am I right, Ms. Javier?
Yes, Chair, you're correct.
So meron kayong 2,000 na pinatay nyo.
It is not, Mr. Chairman,
pinatay nyo negosyo. Wait a minute, let me finish and then let you talk. 2,000 ang tinanggalan nyo ng hanap buhay, pinatay nyo negosyo, and then kapalit ng 2,000, isang kumpanya lang ang inyong binuhay. Go ahead, Mr. Robles.
Hindi po ako may gawa niyan, Mr. Chairman. Dumating po ako awarded, Mr. Chairman, if I may, Mr. Chairman, it is not under my watch that the PLS was awarded. 5.8 billion po yan. It is a modernization of the lottery system, Mr. Chairman. I came, it was already on the implementation stage.
But you were the one who asked for an opinion from OGCC, and OGCC gave you an opinion na saying na hindi...
Where are we, Mr. Chairman? Are we on the Pulai?
Yes, later na yung pula. Mr. Robles, dalawa ditong issue eh. Una, nung nagkaroon itong Pacific Online Systems Corporation, pinatay ang 2,000 mga lotto agents. Pangalawa, nung humingi kayo ng opinion sa OGCC at sinabihan kayo ng OGCC ng opinion na kailangan humingi kayo ng permiso sa Office of the President and yet you did not. Attorney Francis De Valle, kanina pa kayo nagbabasa nung binigyan namin kayo ng kopya. What's your opinion on that letter? that MOA. It's your time to shine. Come on.
Your Honor, the OGCC already issued an opinion that is currently being the subject of this discussion. The opinion speaks for itself, Your Honor. I might be misquoted if I make an interpretation. So,
No, you're an attorney, you're a lawyer, you should know better. Pwede ka magsalita.
Yes, exactly.
On behalf of the OGCC and in reference to this letter or opinion issued by the office where you present.
Exactly, Your Honor. With all due respect, my training would tell me that the document speaks for itself.
Okay.
The document
When you say
is
the
the best
document
evidence,
speaks for
Your Honor.
itself, meaning?
The opinion, Your Honor, that was issued by the Office of the Government Corporate Counsel, Your Honor.
So that means yung sinasabi rito na sana humingi ng opinion sa Office of the President, covered dito itong online gaming system ng Pacific Online Systems Corporation. Tama? No,
Your Honor,
don't look at him.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. Basically, the...
No, yes or no lamang, attorney. So, sabi mo, it is what it is. Parang ganon, di ba? Now, yung nakasulat dito na opinion ng OGCC, does this cover the online lotto o e-lotto? Yes or no lang? Huwag na ho tayo magpasikot-sikot dito, sir. Nabasa mo naman na. At tinawagan mo na, I would assume you would have called people na who could give you enlightenment on this issue. Yun ang gusto kong tanongin. Kasi sinasabi ni Mr. Robles, magkaibang laro. At itong dokumento kasi ito, galing sa OGCC. So kaya binigyan kita ng kopya para basahin mo at pagkatapos, come up with your own opinion, being the lawyer of OGCC, and at the same time, make some phone calls. Do it right now. Open pa naman siguro opisina, 2 o'clock pa lamang. Call.
Your Honor, the signatories of that opinion is currently in a meeting with the Department of Justice.
Okay, sige. Wala yung mga
So,
signatories. But, make some phone calls and kung kinakalang, basahin mo yung mga libro ninyo dyan sa OGCC, mag-utos ka na basahin kung ito ba ay tumutugma yung mga, ito bang nakasulat dito, tumutugma doon sa mga libro ninyo, kung anong sinasabi sa mga protocol ninyo, sinasabi sa guidelines ninyo. So again, I would like to make it short. Tama ba yung sinasabi ko na itong sulat na ito, opinion na ito, it covers the e-lotto. Yun lang yun. Yes or no ka lang. Sabi mo kasi kanina, it is what it is. Meaning, kung ano yun nandyan, yun na nga yun.
Your Honor,
Kasi si Mr. Kua, yung chairman ng PCSO, he already gave his stand. Sinabi na niya na tama yung nakasulat dito at tumutugma doon sa sinasabi ko. So ngayon ikaw from OGCC. Kasi itong dokumento to galing sa inyo eh. Come on. Kung kinakailang hanggang madaling araw tayo na alas 12 rito, I won't mind. Promise. Comsec, mag-ready ka nga ng mga kumot banig dyan. Hindi nga. Gusto ko opinion ng OGCC kasi nakakuha ko na ng opinion mula sa PCSO from Chairman Juni Kua na sinasabing yung online lotto, e-lotto, ay covered dito. Yun ang pagkakaintindi ko. Am I right, Mr. Kua? Para kunin ko ng opinion ng OGCC. Tama ba yung pagkabasa ko, Mr. Kua? Was it plain and simple? Na yung nakasulat dito, covered na yung e-lotto.
Ang narinig ko ay yung patungkol sa paghingi ng approval ng OP.
Correct.
Tungkol diyan sa
E-lotto.
sa opinion ng OGCC.
Correct.
Kung ano man yung nakasaad dyan. At kinonfirm ko lang na narinig ko yung binasa ninyo na kailangan ang OB approval.
So do you agree with me na dapat yung online or iloto kailangan ng approval ng Office of the President per opinion given by OGCC? You agree?
Yun din po ang honest opinion ko.
Honest opinion. Thank you. Thank you. Now, it's your turn, Mr. Valle, Corporate Secretary.
Yes, Your Honor. So,
Corporate Attorney.
yeah, thank you, Your Honor. So this contract review pertains to the Memorandum of Agreement for the one-year test run of the web-based application betting platform executed by the PCSO and Pacific Online Systems Corporation. And I'm just reading from the contract review issued by the OGCC, Your Honor.
So, itong contract na ito, itong opinion na ito, na ibinigay, ulitin ko ulit, sir, na binigay ng OGCC, does this cover yung iloto na kailangan dapat humingi ng permiso from the OP? Simple lang po yung tanong ko, sir, na nahirapan po kayo. Kasi ang pagkakalam ko, lahat ng government-owned corporation, any kind of transaction they should enter into, any kind of entity, they should get the permission of the Office of the President. That's plain and simple. I'm not a lawyer, but I know that because I read some articles and I read some procedures, policies pertaining to that. And you are a lawyer and you don't know, and kailangan mo pa maghanap.
My apologies for that, Your Honor. I'd rather be careful because I don't want to mislead the Honorable Senator, Your Honor. But basically, based on my purpose...
No, we're not misleading anybody. Doon lang tayo sa dokumento. Stick with whatever is written in the document. In these documents. Yung pong... Ito lang po yung Rio, basahin nyo lang, oh. Yan lang yun, sir. Yung... Go ahead po, Attorney Valle, sir. Attorney Del Valle. Kung ano mang opinion na gusto nyong gawin ko, usulatin ko, sabihin ko, I'm not gonna do that because ayokong kontrahin ng OGCC. Magbabanggaan ng OGCC at saka ES. At I'm sure ES is a very smart person. Hindi siya magpapadalos-dalos. To his credit. Now, number 2. 14% commission during the test. Number 2, doon muna tayo sa you're only allowed 6 months. Sa mga taga-OGCC, okay? So yun ang pinapalabas mo. However, humingi ka ng opinion sa OGCC, binigyan kayo ng opinion na hinihingi ninyo. Regardless, kasi kung kayo po mga eksperto dyan, then hindi na dapat kayo humingi ng opinion sa OGCC. Pag hindi ka humingi ng opinion sa OGCC, then pag kayo pumalpak, mayayari kayo. But anyway, having said that, dito sinasabi ng OGCC.
So yan lang mga banat natin video, no? So pakita ko lang sa inyo yung video ni Senadora Rapitol po, kasi medyo nagtrending itong video na ito dahil 2024, no? Ito yung unang hearing niya, no, na may inupakan tsaka agad sa Senado, lalo dito sa ito sa online gaming, itong Lotto, no, nagkaroon ng online gaming at ngayon kinontra nga ito ni Senador Rapi Tulfo. So yun lang mga